Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So at the moment I am connected to Wi-Fi. If you're unable to, you'll need to go and connect your computer to your router via an Ethernet cable. This is a LAN cable, so you plug in straight into it. After you've done that, you can come to the bottom of your computer, so you will be connected to the internet via Ethernet. Just temporarily come to the bottom and type in network connection site, so you'll get this pop up and you need to find your Wi-Fi adapter. Select it and right-click on it and click on Property. And what you then need to do is click in Configure, and then you need to go and click on Driver at the top, and what you can do is click on Update Driver. You can do an automatic search and it should then go and install the best ones. Alternatively, you can open up a web browser and go to the manufacturer's website as well. If you found this useful and it helped you out,